Hi everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download apps on a Windows 10 laptop. We'll cover both the Microsoft Store and downloading apps directly from the web, so you'll know the safest ways in 2025. The first and easiest method is through the Microsoft Store. Click the Start button, type Microsoft Store, and open it from the search results. Inside the store, type the name of the app you want in the search bar. Select the app, then click Get or Install. The app will download and appear in your Start menu automatically. You can also download apps from official websites. For example, if you want Google Chrome, search for it in your browser and go to the official Google site. Click Download, then open the installer file and follow the setup steps. Always make sure you're downloading from trusted sources. The Microsoft Store and official company websites are the safest places to get apps. And that's it. You now know how to download apps on a Windows 10 laptop using both the Microsoft Store and the web. Stick to official sources for the best security. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.